There are many different flavors of Bitcoin, but they all share the same roots. What this means is that these coins at a certain date and time forked away from the original Bitcoin blockchain to start their own path. Because Bitcoin is decentralized, it doesn't have a single governing body overseeing future development and governance. Changes require cooperation among complete strangers through a complex mechanism known as Nakamoto consensus. Of course, people are diverse and they have different opinions on how cryptocurrency should evolve. The main sticking point revolves around how to most effectively scale the Bitcoin network in order to compete with the likes of Visa and MasterCard. In this video, we'll go through the three most popular coins, learning their differences and their solutions to the scaling problem. BTC, the first Bitcoin, has remained on the same chain the longest. The BTC protocol is maintained by a group called Core. This group of approximately 200 individuals feel that Bitcoin should be censor resistant, prioritizing decentralization so that no major player can take it over. To them, this means it's important to keep its client system requirements low, which is why the block size limit never increased. Their development is focused on off-chain scalability and being efficient with its data use it has now. Until these sidechain solutions are more widely used, Bitcoin will likely have higher fees than other options. The first major coin to split from Bitcoin is Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash addresses the scaling issue by increasing the size of the blocks that get mined every 10 minutes. Since there's a greater capacity of transactions that can be confirmed at once, this version of Bitcoin doesn't experience traffic congestion in the network, and the fees remain less than 1 cent at all times. If you want to learn more about how fees work, please see our video on rules of consensus and Bitcoin usage. The Bitcoin Cash development community is also free from the bureaucracy of Bitcoin Core and are able to implement new technologies into their software much more quickly than BTC. It's worth noting that Bitcoin Cash is heavily promoted on the website bitcoin.com, which has been under some scrutiny for confusing new users about which Bitcoin to buy. The youngest of the three, Bitcoin Satoshi's Vision, or Bitcoin SV, is recognized for its development team led by self-proclaimed Satoshi Nakamoto, Dr. Craig Wright. The idea behind Bitcoin SV is to make it corporate-friendly and have complete transparency. This includes scaling the capacity of its blockchain in order to process thousands of transactions a second to compete with the likes of Visa or MasterCard. Other ambitions include creating a blockchain-based internet dubbed MetaNet. With support from deep-pocketed backers, Bitcoin SV continues to grow and attract new developers and corporations alike. Thanks for listening.